Welcome to Nora Dora, where we run and play all day. Squishies and more fun for everyone. Nora Dora! Hi guys, welcome back to my show. Today we're going to play It's just playing. Okay.
We're gonna play Find That Squishy. So we are going to.
I think you saw a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah. So first we're gonna get this. Oh, and by the way, we got a new squishy today. It's a foam axolotl, and it's so cool, right?
Yeah, guys, it's mine. No, mine.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
We share.
Yeah, we share squishies, but it's mostly mine.
Except for the trading video, we didn't.
So cute. Okay, guys.
So for example, I'm gonna hide them first. So you bring the squishy basket, you carry it into each room, and you hide it where you think they can't find it. And if you don't find it, you get a consequence. But if you can't find it 2 times, you get a big consequence. If you can't find any of them.
Like throwing your favorite squishy away.
Yeah. And
Or popping it.
Or popping your squishy or throwing it away. So whoever doesn't find it has to do that punishment.
That's going to be it. I'm so scared. Okay, hide them.
Okay, I'm going to hide them first. Let's see. Ooh, let's go.
Jack just went to hide them. I'm just waiting here.
I just made my way to the kitchen. I'm gonna take the creepy baby. I'm gonna hide it. Where should I hide it, guys? In the oven? No, it's too risky. In the sink? No, we don't want to go wet. The coffee maker? No. In the iPad bin. Okay. Creepy baby's safe in there. Bringing the blue axolotl into the dining room. Where should we hide this thing, guys? Where should we hide it? No! What? I've only hidden 2. I am. Okay. This is hide it. I don't think. Wait. This is good. I'm gonna hide it in one of the wine glasses, but I'm gonna hide it in the one that is not glass. This one is not glass, so I'm gonna break.
When is that gonna be done?
I'm taking the dumpling into the family room. Okay, I'm gonna hide it. Find this one. You'll never find this.
I can't take it anymore!
Okay, I am taking. Oh, say hi, Mickey.
Hi.
I'm going to take the dust. I'm going to put it behind the printer. Behind the printer, guys. It's an easy spot. It's gonna be worth it. Okay. Nora, I'll be done soon. I have 2 more squishies to hide. I'm trying. Okay. Fine. Don't hide it in the bathroom. Maggie's playing the game in there. I have no idea what.
I'm not playing the game.
Okay. I'm going to hide this in. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. Now we're gonna go tell Nora that we're done.
Oh my God, what is he just gonna do?
Nora! I'm done! I get to go find them!
Yeah! Finally!
You choose where to start.
Here.
She chooses the study room.
Okay. Is it on the desk anywhere? Oh, here it is. That was easy.
I know. I wanted to make one easy one for you. Because there's a lot of hard ones. Okay, you want to go in the living room now?
Yeah, you will hold that.
Living room?
I'll hold the camera.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
What would it be?
What color is the squishy?
I can't tell you.
Is it this one?
No.
Oh, no, wait, we already found that. Lights. This one's hard. Are you looking at it right now?
No. Well, I can't tell you. That's a way too good hit. That's a good hint, so I'm not gonna tell you it.
In this, in that, in that.
Do I just tell you?
No.
It's not in there either.
Jesus. Okay.
Where else would it be?
Where else?
Hint. Pillow.
Hint?
Pillow.
Pillow, okay. Not anyone to catch this on a pillow.
Never be able to find it.
Pillow.
Do you give up?
No, I don't.
If you give up, I could just show it to you. And you don't get a bad consequence. You get an okay consequence. What do you say?
I gave up.
You give up? Okay.
I didn't even look. Mama home?
No.
Well, not home. Okay.
She's just driving back from the gas station.
Yeah, we used to go. What?
Okay. Now, where do you want to go? The kitchen
No,
or the dining room?
dining room.
Okay.
Bathroom.
Bathroom?
Yeah.
No. Remember? I said no bathroom.
Why?
It's Maggie's. There's plenty in there.
Is it in there?
Okay.
Mom, you know what?
Okay, we are going to. A bar.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Nora.
Mom, are you on the white?
Oh, sure, baby.
Well, what do you have? Okay, then let's do this. What do you have?
That's
No, we're doing the gas station.
No, okay, fine.
Didn't eat it.
That was easy.
No, that's not it. I just put the squishy on the bed. You give up? Oh, then you get a bad consequence. There's the glitter one. Okay. Now you get a bad consequence, Nora.
Okay.
How about this? We'll do me in another video.
No, we're doing
No. We're doing me in another video. No, we don't have time to do it today.
Yes, we do.
Remember, we're going to do Bob's pool soon. We're going to the pool. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Okay. Let's do.
I didn't know you were home.
Do you want to do the dining room or the kitchen?
Nora's ding dang backpack.
Dining room. Oh, there's no backpack.
It's right here. She forget it, and I gotta pack it up for my camp next week.
Nora, hint, glass. Oh, you got it.
This.
All right, now the last one is the kitchen. I honestly forget where I hid this. I remember now. I remember where I hid it. Some wins.
Yeah?
Oh no. You found it. Okay, that's all of them. Alright, but you still get a bad consequence. Your consequence is, drum roll please. You're throwing your favorite squishy in the garbage.
Do I ever get it again?
No, because it's going in the garbage.
Okay. These are one of my favorites.
You should throw this. Okay, Nora's butter is her favorite. She's gonna throw that one out.
I don't really care because it's fake.
It's not fake. All right. Goodbye, butter. Peace out.
Ah!